morning, my favorite TV watching time. Huh? Winnie! Your big screen TV is gone!
Yep, I sold it. So I could do something fun and exciting with the money.
What could be more fun than watching TV? On your super big screen TV, to be exact.
Well, flying lessons for one thing. And flying lessons with wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen, a dreamy foreign pilot for another. See you, Woody.
Gotta stop her from spending that money on flying lessons and get her to buy the TV back. Say there, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen. Ausen, Sausen, Season, Susan?
Don't call me Susan. But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
Making a note of it right now. Never call a big guy Susan.
Are you here for lessons?
No, I'm here to tell you that you've been inducted into the Flying Hall of Fame.
At long last, my boyhood dream come true.
So long, propeller head. In no time at all, I'll have Winnie begging to buy her big screen TV back.
But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen has moved. Just follow the arrows to new location? Oh, my. Ew. Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen?
I'm all that.
Oh, my.
I am Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen, Ace, Flying Ace.
But of course, you knew that, didn't you?
I want to learn to fly.
Oh, you want to fly? Isn't that modern of you? Here is a plane for you.
Wait, you'll see, I'm a very quick study.
Well then, quickly study my instructional home video. It's best viewed on, say, a large screen TV.
I'm more of a hands-on kind of girl. Come on! What's this do, Wings?
Oh, it is to test G-forces. More G's? More G's?
No, Pat. I'd like to solve the puzzle.
I'll have Winnie begging to go home and watch TV in no time. All right, mi amor. Now that you have survived the G-forces, let's see how you handle the parachute.
Why don't you just go home and watch some TV?
Flying ace, huh? More like flying disgrace. All right, Woody. I'm going to call your bluff. I'm gonna make you earn your wings or fly trial. I'm ready for my first flight, Mr. Banderhausen Hosenflausen. Is this the right button?
Winnie, what are you doing?
Why, I'm flying! I'm flying! Help!
Pull the brake!
Is this the brake? Whoa!
Yeah! shortest distance between 2 points isn't always a straight line. Off the satellite.
Uh-oh.
Off the comet.
Ah! Well, when in doubt, improvise. Phew.
I'm coming, Winnie! I'm coming! Bubble gum. I never leave home without it.
Wow, that was exciting, wasn't it? Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen.
What? You knew it was me?
Almost all along.
Then why'd you let me go through all that?
Oh, you gotta admit it was more exciting than sitting at home watching TV, Woody.
Winnie, you still have the money. Let's go buy your big screen TV back now, please.
No way, Woody. We're using it next Saturday for shark cage diving.
Meanie, this anger business is gonna get the best of you if you aren't careful. If you can't control your rage, there's gonna be some serious consequences.
Rage? Me? Why, Doctor, I'm surprised at you. You know I'm the picture of calmness and serenity.
Now that's a step in the right direction. Here's your bill. See what I mean?
Let's see what's on the agenda for today. Sleep, 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 more sleep. The Healing Games!
I've got to relax. Oh. Maybe I'll just take a nap. That'll help me unwind. What do you think you're doing?
I'm getting ready for the Healing Games.
Ugh, you're no Scotsman. You're just a woodpecker.
Ah, are you daft in the head, woman? Can't you see me red mane? I'm a woodpecker by birth, but I'm a mackpecker by the grace of God.
Well, healing games or no healing games, I have a condition. This is a rooming house, and you know the rules. You have to be quiet. You're aggravating my condition. Can't you see I'm trying to relax?
Ah, I'll take it outside, lass. Hoot! 'Tis a bunny Scottish morn. How am I supposed to practice in all this mucky-muck? I'll have to practice indoors. I've got to practice for the wild card event, wrestling with the Loch Ness Monster. What am I gonna use for Nessie? You're looking mighty fierce this season, Nessie. But you're no match for a McPecker.
Perhaps a nice cup of tea will soothe my nerves. Huh? What are you doing up there that's taking up all my water pressure?
Woohoo! I've got you now, Nessie.
Now what's going on up there?
If I wrap the hammer and a towel, it'll only make a wee bit of noise.
Are you insane? Not only have you interrupted my rest and destroyed this room, but you're starting to get on my nerves!
But the Healing Games...
I don't care! I have to rest!
What to do? I've got to train for the border toss. One heave couldn't harm anyone. Who's gonna notice one toss?
Woodpecker, you're trying my patience. I'm not going to tell you again to be quiet. You are aggravating my condition! Oh, dear. My condition. I have to call the doctor!
Now just calm down.
I can't take this anymore!
When you feel yourself getting aggravated, just count to 10.
Oh, to 10!
I left me caber back in me gym locker. I'm a disgrace to me clan. What am I to do now? 'Tis a gift from the gods.
Now, counting is very relaxing, Meanie. Go ahead, try it.
Okay, here goes. 1, 2, 3!
What have I done? I'll be kicked out of the clan for sure. Ugh. What a mess we got here. She's wired up all wrong. I'll just use a little McPacker know-how. We'll just wear the childhood memories into the anger. By the grip in my ear, that oughta do her. 'Tis a great sight indeed. Good as new.
That crazy McPacker is at it again! This time I'll show no mercy. This time I'll...
Happy, good woodpecker. But Mother Nature, I have an excuse.
No excuses, Woody. You're way behind in your pecking. I'll be back later to check up on you. Now get pecking, pecking, pecking.
Oh no, I'm 5,000 peck holes behind. She'll demote me to a chigger this time for sure. Unless...
This here's the uber termite, genetically created in my lab apparently for efficiency and ferocity. Yeah, I call him Lester.
What are you looking at, you red-coated pig farmer?
Oh boy, I'll take him. All right, Lester, go on out there and put some holes in those trees before Mother Nature gets here.
Holes? Holes are for golfers and loser woodpecking.
You had better start cooperating, mister, or else.
No, not the smelly shoe!
I only want holes in the trees, not the whole tree gone.
Oh, what are you, my father? If he keeps this up, I won't have a forest for Mother Nature to inspect. Here you go. This'll help you make little teeny pecking holes, like a woodpecker. Now, the only sound I want to hear is this. Yes, sir. That little guy is gonna make my life so easy. I said little teeny pecks, like a woodpecker. Learn from the master. First, pick out a tasty spot. Next, aim. Then do what woodpeckers do best. I think Junior's got a bad attitude. I can see I'm going to have to keep you on a short leash. A little peck, then move on. Now a peck of that tree. And take a peck of that one. Take a peck of this! How tough a fight might a termite fight if a termite could not bite? Invisible paint is just the ticket. I'll trick that termite out of here. Then I'll paint the forest back before Mother Nature even gets here. Nice job, Picasso, but, where's your house? What? Huh? What? Why, it's right over here. Thanks, big guy. Now into your room. You're not my father, so you can't tell me what to do. Enough already! I'm taking you back. Ah, phooey! That little termite you sold me is a monster. Now I need something that'll grow trees. Fast!
These vigor growth seeds should do the trick.
Okay, that does it. Lester? Dad? Lester, what are you doing to that nice woodpecker's trees? He said then I did the holes, the trees with the doctor and the... Get home, now!
$6,607, $6,608. Well, it looks like that little woodpecker finally did some work. But you, Mr. Termite? Why haven't you met your quota? No excuses. Start munching that bark, or I'll demote you to a cheater.
Wow! But
Let's move it, move it, move it. I mean it, you loafer.
Please, listen!
Get busy!
Wait, I'm not who you think. Let me explain.
to TV's favorite game show, Scavenger with your host, Junkyard Jim. And now, a big junkyard welcome for our first contestant, Woody Woodpecker. Okay, we like your spunk. Now, let's meet your opponent.
Buzz Buzzard! Hey, I'm not playing against that lousy cheater.
Who you calling a cheat?
Okay, fellas. I see you two already know each other. Save it for the game. Our happy contestants are off buckling into their Scavenger-mobiles because they'll soon be racing around the city, solving game clues and collecting scavenger hunt items. And the one who brings back all the items wins these fabulous prizes! May the best junk collector win! Time for your first clue, contestants. It's like taking blank from a baby.
I got it. Like taking candy from a baby.
Thanks for the answer, sap.
Get away from me, you cheater! Big Baby Daycare Center. The perfect place for finding babies with candy. They weren't kidding about the big baby part. Goo 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 gee goom lollipop. Hmm?
It's time to start you a college fund. How much for your big sucker, you big sucker?
Hey, Junior, how about a nice bottle of moo juice in exchange for that candy?
Give me that candy.
Now baby needs to burp.
Clue number 2. Never judge a blank by its cover.
Oh, all that time I had for reading in the joint paid off. You never judge a book by its cover. Frankenstein. Perfect. Call of the Wild, one of my favorites. Hey, who turned out the lights? Wait a minute. He's gone. I'll just take the Three Musketeers here.
All for one.
And one for the war. Oh, look! Three Musketeers, the abridged version. So long, sap.
The score is tied 1-1. And here's your next clue. A blank and his money are soon parted.
Huh? What's that mean?
I've got it.
What's he doing heading back to the studio?
Let me through. I'm gonna win.
You can't win. You never found a last scavenger item.
Okay. Let's say it's a tie. Then we'll split all the prizes 50-50.
You know, you're right, chum. And I'm getting first pick. Oh, I won! Oh, it's wonderful.
Alrighty then. Let's see what items you brought back, Woody.
Like taking candy from a baby, never judge a book by its cover.
And the final clue? A blank and his money are soon parted?
Oh, that's easy. A fool and his money are soon parted, Junkyard.
Did you bring us back a fool, Woody?
I sure did, and there he is.
Oh, joy, oh, joy, oh, joy.
Woody Woodpecker is today's Scavenger-Rama champion!
No! We tied! I didn't lose!
That's right. There are no losers on Scavenger-Rama, Mr. Buzzard. You win the consolation prize, a fun-filled day with Anna!
Oh, boy! You mean a date with the Goyle who points to the fabulous prizes?
No, Anna, the junkyard dog!
No! Stop!
What an awesome red meteorite! It's the third time I've seen it this month. I'll name you Winnie-mite. Position, azimuth 30.1 at 12 degrees in Scorpio. Oh, I wish I could be an astronaut so I could see the stars up close. If found, return to the Toston Space Launch Center. Wow, this could be my ticket to ride.
Look at that. No, you're wrong. Nuclear fission. Oh, a Phillips head. Yes!
Excuse me, I'm Winnie Woodpecker. Is this yours?
Ah! My medium monitor satellite! This is what protects Earth. This is bad!
Wow! Is that a giant blue ice meteor hurtling towards Earth, Professor?
Where? That doesn't... We're doomed! Ah! Earth is toast! I need a space crew!
Perhaps I could...
Oh!
It couldn't hurt to just try this on.
Ah, my crew person! But I just called. How did you get here so fast? Fax, email? Let's go!
But, Professor, I'm
I'll
not...
finish this toast. We've got to stop that meteor! Whoa! Wait! You're an amateur! I'm breaking out in hives. Oh, this itches. Oh, this is not good. Bad thing. Need lotion. Ointment would be good.
Get a grip, Professor. Now, there's 3 reasons why I can help. I'm a fast learner, I don't use up much oxygen, and I'm all you got, mister. So let's get to it.
Release me now!
Yes, sir.
No, I'm in...
Professor, there's 0 gravity.
Must get the satellite out there fast! Winnie, energize my jetpack!
Oh, this is my big opportunity to make one giant leap for all woodpeckers.
Oh! Yes, who's there? Those kids today. Hurry! It's not...
Okay, maybe it's 3.
The pressures! No! Magnetize the hull! It'll pull me back to the ship!
Like that, Professor? Yikes! Just a second, Professor. Minor snafu.
This is not good! Please! get this satellite back into orbit. Listen carefully.
I'm all ears, Professor. Well, I mean, not literally. Of course I have hands and feet, and some say a cute beak.
Quiet! Now activate the robot arm!
Activating the robot arm.
Easy, easy.
Easy, easy. It sure looks easy.
What did I do to deserve this? Please, be gentle.
Working in space is harder than I ever imagined, Professor. Oh, my goodness!
What? I can't see. Help me with my helmet.
It's the giant blue ice meteor!
If it is, we need to stop it. Tractor beam? No. Death ray? No. Get my helmet off!
I've got everything under control, Professor. Well, maybe not everything.
I wanted to be remembered as the one who saved the Earth. Now I'm the one who destroyed it with a giant ice chicken.
Oh, you won't be remembered for that, Professor. It's a giant ice swan.
Oh.
We need something big, something powerful to destroy that star fowl. Winnie might. Position: azimuth 30.1 at 12 degrees in Scorpio. That's it!
What? Leaving? Where are you going?
Like I always say, Professor, when in doubt, improvise! Okay, Professor, I've packed the dynamite onto the meteor.
Dynamite? What are you thinking?
Just this! A giant ice rudder!
It won't help, Winnie. It's still on course. Only now for the other side of Earth.
Yep, Professor, and right into the path of my beautiful red Winnie-mite.
Professor Quark, could you tell our viewers how you managed to save Earth?
Oh, well, no. What did she say?
What Professor Quark means is that together we fired these lasers at the ice meteor and...
Winnie, what are you doing? The lasers! You like to shut that thing off!
This just in. I'm getting word the National Space Division has reported some unauthorized laser activity. It has knocked a red meteor onto a collision course with Earth. And this one's in the shape of a giant woodpecker.
Come on, Professor. We've got work to do.
What? Hello? No! Space woodpeckers, dangerous! I'm breaking out in hives again! Amateur!
Hand over the cow juice, milkmaid. It's Mr. Alias.
You get him, Mr. Alias. Ooh,
Mr. Alias, man of adventure, triumphs again! Who among you is ready to join me in my life of adventure?
Me!
I've made all the arrangements. I've notified the authorities,
pulled the strings, and greased the palms, all to create an adventure for you!
Just send $100 for your very own Adventure in a Box!
But I already did! Well, if you already did, then what's your mailbox? Because adventure awaits! Package from Mr. Alias, too large for home delivery. Please pick up at the Oversight Delivery Office. Oh boy, let the adventure begin! Yes, sirree, Baba Link. My adventure in a box. Nice haircut.
Ahem. Regulation 47K subsection 8 clearly states... No customers on the counter!
Lady, I just want my package.
The rules are the rules, Woodpecker. I don't make them, I just carry them out. There are rules to be followed. Wasting stamps. That's another rule you've broken.
Say, aren't you Employee of the Month?
Oh, aren't you sweet? Let's see if we can get that package for you. Claim slip?
Phooey. I seem to have misplaced it.
Company rules are very specific about missing claim slips. Oh, my. Rule 84, paragraph G, states that customers without claim slips must take a number and wait in line until an official of the company, that would be me, calls his number and verifies his identity. And then there's Rule 48K. No touching the rule book! Now take a number and wait like everybody else.
Oh, boy.
Number 1. Number 2. Anyone? Number 3.
Right here. Number 3. Now can I get my box?
Yes. See how well everything works when we follow the rules? Now, you may wait in the package line. Behind the red line, mister! That woodpecker!
I
caught you red-handed, woodpecker.
Well, what do you know? A secret way in.
Oh, Poe! Boxes must be stacked at all times! Direct violation of Code 525Z. Trespassing behind my counter!
Finger here and help me tie this knot. Next up, Bora Bora. Java!
Not so fast, violator! No scofflaw's going to break procedure on my watch!
Oh, yeah? Watch me.
Woodpecker?
Wow! I can't wait to begin my adventure.
Come out, or I'll have so much junk mail delivered to your house it'll look like a paper recycling plant!
A Navy officer's uniform?
Oh, Woodpecker! I'm coming for you!
But first, I know just what Mr. Alias would do in this situation.
Oh, Woodpecker! Come on out! I won't hurt you! Oh, Delivery Master General! What are you doing here? A spot inspection?
Regulation 39B clearly states employees are to follow orders from their superiors at all times.
Yes, sir, Delivery Master General!
Now get behind that red line until I tell you to move. On your mark. Get set. Pack that box.
Yes,
sort that mail. Count those stamps. Stack that tape. Answer that phone. File those invoices.
I'll be there!
It's the new, improved, not recently sued Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000. So hot, it can cook breakfast in bed. Breakfast not included. Fizzle Electric Blanket 2000, not to be used by the sick, elderly, pregnant, bipedal, etc., 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 etc.
Do you look good in floral print shirts and harem pants? Sure, we all do. So why not warm yourself on the most beautiful beaches in the world? Visit these tropical islands. You can hang tan or dive for pearls. The local government won't let you keep anything you find. But it's just good, clean fun to hold your breath till your lungs almost burst and then get the bends from coming up too fast. The islands are a perfect place to return to your primal self. Explore. Stuff your belly, then sit back and let the UV rays saturate your brain. Get that golden brown tan you've always wanted. You'll be looking good and living life the tropical way. Still not hot enough? Tired of the same old meat substitute? Here's a tip. All you need to make this into a succulent meal is one ingredient.
Finally, I can entertain some chums with a proper dinner party.
And that secret ingredient is...
Peculiar little character.
Finally uncovers the plot to sink Bowen Island. Diane, the madman behind all of this is...
That boy's more aggravating than a bad case of shingles.
And this is how you hula! A wiki, 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 wiki.
Huh? Such a polite little fella. Hold on just an ice-picking minute. Looks like Christmas is coming early this year. Aw, ain't he as cute as a bug's ear? I'll just take him to his home and let him rest up.
And now, our afternoon movie, Frigid Winter.
Frigid Winter? That got a 5 Ice Cube rating. Sakes alive. They just don't make them winter pictures like they used to. Huh? Now this here's the flake that broke the snowman's back. This berg ain't big enough for the both of us, Penguin. What's he waving for? That really shaves my eyes. Y'all catch my drift?
Topical and tropical, influencing White House pages.
Tonight, we reveal the answer to one of life's greatest mysteries. Are we alone in the universe? Do UFOs exist? Professor Smith, do UFOs exist?
As a gentleman, this shouldn't bother me. That's the problem with penguin meat. It runs right through you. It's almost time for the lotto drawing.
And tonight's South Pole Lotto is worth $40 billion. You could buy a lot of fun in the sun with that money. But this will be your only announcement. You snooze, you lose. 14, 22, 64, 93, 56, 71, and the final number is...
The vacation getaway of a lifetime!
Only one thing a grown dog can do at a time like this.
Hey, Joe, give me my dog. Perfection. For sale? Say it ain't so, Joe. You can't sell your cart. Oh, where will I go for such delectable dogs? Such terrific tube steaks. Such wondrous wieners.
Well, I don't know. I guess you'll have to settle for Wiener Wallies.
Huh, I'll never eat at Wally's. He's the guy who put the worst in bratwurst. Ugh. I've got it. I'll buy your cart.
Okay, but you know it's gonna cost you $500.
$500? Aha. Plenty of room. Wow, a heated pool. I'll take it.
What's this going on here?
I've forgotten more about selling wieners than that woodpecker will ever know. Oh, I would like to buy a hot dog, please.
Coming right up. That's one for you and one for me.
Okay, so that's just one customer. And that's one too many.
Hey, mister, can I get a dog, please?
That's one for you and two for me.
Zwerg, that does it. Get off my corner, woodpecker!
You know, I get the distinct feeling someone doesn't want me around.
Come back soon.
Over here! Over here! I've got just one thing to say. That's my corner!
Woodpecker. That should fix that woodpecker, you bet.
Why for you bury me, Wiener Boy? Guess who?
You want a Winnie Vore? You got a Winnie Vore, Woodpecker!
You'll never sell hot dogs on my corner, Wiener Boy. I've got you now.
Say, this is the best hot dog mix I've ever tasted.
Oh, my aching meatball. You woodpecker, look what you done. I'll get you.
Boys, break it up. With your new hot dog mix and my investment capital, we can make millions.
Where do we sign?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm the boss. Will I get my hands on you? You come here, you.
I'm the boss, and I say no work today. Oh boy, woo!
By you little tube steak terrorist, you won't ruin my chance to make millions.
Go on with you. Give me your best shot. Bet you can't hit me with hot dog.
Oh, yeah? Then take that, and those too, you bet.
Hey, if we're gonna be partners, you're gonna have to work faster than that, Wiener Boy.